Hi everyone, this is Michelle, and I will be giving an overview of how to combat the SSAT in my class. We will be covering all the 4 different aspects including writing, reading, verbal, and math. So first of all, let us take a look at the essay writing. The question is, every student should be required to complete 60 hours of community service during his or her high school years. Do you agree or disagree? After you write your essay, I will teach you effective strategies so as to appeal in your school admission. The next section is reading. There are different question types, and one of which is your vocabulary section. The maritime and fishing industries find perhaps 250 applications for rope and cordage. There are hundreds of different sizes, constructions, tensile strength, and weights in rope and twine. Applications means uses. The second question type is the main idea question. The social standing of a wife in colonial day was determined by the standing of her husband. She married not only a husband but also a career. And therefore, the main idea that we can derive from the passage would be the colonial housewife, and a key clue is determined by the standing of her husband. Next, let us take a look at the verbal section. This is a synonym part. The synonym of novice would be beginner. Recognize the root word novel, meaning new. The second question, what is a synonym of convoy? Recognize convoys of military vehicles as a group, and therefore the answer should be group. There are also questions that ask you to derive the relationship between the words. Lid is to box as cork is to. So to find a relationship, recognize how lid is to close a box and a cork is to close a bottle, and therefore the answer should be bottle. And for the second question, poison is to death as, kindness is to cooperation. If these are all unfamiliar to you, rest assured, because the goal of our class is to meet your expectations by individually tailoring the course to enhance your weaknesses. The next part, we will also learn all the tips, root words, so as to gain confidence in combating this type of questions. Finally, let us take a look at the math section. The question asks us to find the volume of a cylinder below. We simply have to substitute the numbers into the equation that we know, pi r squared times h. And we can see that the volume would be 785 cubic inches. The next question is a word problem that most students face difficulty in. One pipe can fill a tank in 20 minutes, a second can fill in 30 minutes, and a third can fill it in 10 minutes. How long would it take the 3 together to fill the pool? So the first pipe fills the pool in 20 minutes, and therefore 120 in 1 minute, the second 130 in 1 minute, and the third a tenth of a pool in 1 minute. We add the 3 fractions together to determine what part of the pool will be filled in 1 minute when the 3 pipes are working together, and therefore the answer is 11 over 60, and taking the reciprocal of that, the final answer would be 5 and 5 over 11 minutes. To conclude, our process is very easy. Through the course content, you'll gain knowledge, and we'll focus on your individual area weaknesses to finally result in your highest achievement. Thank you for listening, and find Michelle. I hope to see you guys in class.